Hello, this is Sophia. Welcome to my videos. The machine behind me is called wood chipper. Its function is to cut the wood logs into small pieces. And this is a small boy. Its capacity is about 3 to 5 tons per hour. We also have other models. The biggest one is about 20 to 25 tons per hour. So let me introduce more details to you. The first part is the feeding belt conveyor. You can put the log inside by hand or by forklift. The second part is the main frame. Inside it has a rotor and a sieve. So what does the rotor look like? Here we go. The standard rotor has 2 knives. It can cut the tips into 2 to 5 centimeters, and we also have 4 and 6 knives. They can cut the tips into 2 to 5 centimeters and 1 to 2 centimeters. On the bottom of the machine, there is a sieve. Its standard size is 5 to 5 centimeters. So when the tips are larger than this size, they will be cut again and again. Only when the tips are smaller than this size, they will be passed through the sieve. Of course, we can customize according to your needs. So let's see this machine again. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. This part is output belt conveyor. After the tips delivered are it, you can allow it stored on the ground, and also you can let it proceed to the next stage. So that's all the machine I want to say. Do you like it? If you have any questions, you can leave message on Facebook, and I will contact to you. That's all. See you. Bye bye.